In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remix a song using Suno AI in just 5 minutes. First things first, you're going to want to log into Suno. It's important to ensure you're signed in because this is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, navigate to the song you want to remix. This could be any track that provides a good foundation for you to get creative. When you've located your chosen song, look for the More Actions menu, which is signified by 3 dots. Clicking on this opens a small menu with several options. From here, select the Remix option. This is essentially the door to a variety of creative possibilities for your track. After selecting Remix, you'll see different remix workflows. Each workflow offers a unique way to enhance or transform your song. For instance, the Extend option allows you to add new musical sections to the song. This feature is great if you're aiming to create a longer version or just want to experiment with different musical phrases. There's also the Cover option. This lets you apply a fresh style or new lyrics to the original track. Whether you're inclined to change the genre or just want to switch up the vocal style, this option provides a great deal of flexibility. More than just covers, you can explore styles and lyrics to dive deeper into how your track could transform into something altogether unique. Another interesting aspect of remixing on Suno AI is the tempo adjustment under the speed option. Maybe your track needs to be a bit slower for a laid-back vibe, or perhaps a faster tempo will pump up the energy. Either way, adjusting the speed can dramatically alter the feel of your song. Once you've played around with these options and are satisfied with your choices, head over to the Create button. Clicking this tells Suno to work its magic and generate the remixed version of your song. This is where all your tweaks come together to form a cohesive new track, ready for you to listen to and enjoy. And there you have it, a quick guide to remixing a song in Suno AI. Now, with these steps, you're ready to transform any track in just a few minutes, turning an ordinary song into something extraordinarily yours with a pinch of creativity and experimentation. So why not get started and see what unique sounds you can create today?